Okay, so continue. Part number 5, practical applications. A. The following is a practical listing of foods which may be ground in a normal manner on Yom Tov, even with a greater or similar utensils. Apples, okay, for sure, you know, apples, they turn brown, I don't know, like 15 minutes after or 10 minutes after you finish, right? Banana, for sure, the same. Matzahs. So matzahs, as we said before, it was because it was reconstituted, right? So why do you need to grind matzahs? So you need to grind matzahs in order to bake something, pastries from that. Okay. D. Potatoes. Potatoes. I'm not sure why potatoes, like if you mash potatoes before the Yom Tov, it's going to spoil the taste, partially. I don't know. Vegetables. Okay. Vegetables, yeah, like of course it's like the fresher vegetables is better, right? So if you need to grind or like chop it or dice it, of course it's preferable on the day off. Okay. B. The following is a partial listing of foods which may be ground in unusual manner. Cheese, right? So of course, as we said, if you grind the cheese before, grate the cheese before, there is no problem. Horseradish, of course, it's going to lose some flavor, but not all of the flavor. Pepper and other spices. Okay, pepper and other spices. Actually, like as somebody, I'm not sure in this class or in a different class, we had discussion. I don't remember, like about pepper. So I said it's a huge difference. I mean, for me, it's absolutely like not even close. You take this pepper. They sell ground pepper, right? Like in the big jars, and you put while you're cooking. You put or they sell or you grind yourself. So like this one that you grind yourself, like it starts smelling. It's unbelievable. That one is that was ground in a store. They almost lost all of this smells. I mean, it has taste, but not smell for sure. Okay, so it's a big difference. Okay, but he said okay, meaning that you would need to do it with a Shinui. C. The following is a partial list of foods which should be ground before Yom Tov. If not ground in advance, one may ground on Yom Tov in unusual manner. So walnuts and almonds. Okay, so meaning of course nothing is going to happen to them, right? In 2 days, right? Okay.